but problem like this one would not have a calculator.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay. All right. So next thing here is, and these are more of your SAT questions now, is I'm gonna just put this problem in front of you, and I need to step away for 30 seconds, but we'll talk a little bit about this when I get back and see if you can come up with the answer, though. Be right back with you. Okay. Um, any idea how to work a problem like this one?
$21. Yeah, I think I got it.
Okay, so that's very good. So there's a bunch of these percentage problems, and what you have to figure out is, are they asking for the discount, which they are in this problem, or are they asking for like the new price, or maybe the the sale price? So if you're at the store and
They
it's
were
like,
saying
okay,
that how much is the discount? How
right,
much it was off?
right. So let's say they wanted the new price. What would that be? Like, what, when you go to the register, what are you going to pay?
You would pay $39.
Yeah, the old price minus the discount.
Right.
And it would be $39. Good. Okay. So in this next problem, here, they're asking for the new price, but you do have to calculate the discount to do that.
Right. Okay. All right.
So it's encoded in the situation that you have to do that part.
C.
Yeah. So that's one type of percentage problem that you might see. The other is like tax and tip. These add to the original price.
Mhm.
Okay, actually, let me see. I think I've got. See if I got a few of these here that are actually SAT questions. Yeah. Hmm. So in this problem, you have to decide if they're asking for, like we kind of talked about, the tip or the tax or the like new price that you would pay.
Would I round up here?
Yeah, this is an estimation, but this is why there's no calculator, because you're supposed to basically estimate or approximate that number, and then you can get the answer there.
12, so C.
Right. Um, so the next type of problem is, and they're not always taxes and tips. Um, this is a free response problem, so no multiple choice here. Um, the markup is 70%. So
Mhm.
like whether it's a tax, a tip, a markup, you're going to add this to the original.
Oh, okay. For a promotion sheet. $144.50.
We're good. All right, so you got that down. There's lots of other percentage questions here. Let me see if there's actually any more. You will get one on the SAT, ACT. Um, don't know what format it will be in, but that is what you will get. Here's another style of question that you might see. So we haven't actually calculated any percentages. So to calculate percentage, it's part over whole. Um, let's see if that's enough here to calculate this.
He bought a bus pass as the initial. Wait, so if I'm putting the whole, which would be the 90, right? So that would go under
Right?
180 on top, 90 on bottom.
1.8 on top.
Oh, 2%? I'm getting 0.02,
That's correct.
but that would make sense because it wouldn't be 5% of the total.
Okay. Let's see if I can find one more. Um, I don't really want to do a deep dive into this with like other stuff, but uh, yeah, here we go. Here's another one. Think about. All right, take a look at that, please. I'll be right back with you in 30 seconds.
All right.
All right, how are you doing on this one?
Yeah, I got 8.
So 8 is the discount.
Oh, so then 32.
Yes. Let me see if I can find one more. Let's see. Table problem. All right, well, that's all we got on that front. All right, let's switch to a new topic here. Um, okay. So we're going to solve some equations. I don't remember if we did this last time or not, but we'll get back to some solving here. There's two approaches to these on standardized tests. One is to actually solve it and then match your answer to the one that's given. The other is to try the answers. Both are effective strategies. You should use the one that you feel like is best for you. Um, so take a look at this and let me know what you come up with, please. And again, no calculator if you can.
16.
How confident are you in your answer?
Pretty confident.
Did you try the answers or did you direct solve it?
I solved it.
Okay. So you should get minus 9m equals negative 135. Then you divide by negative 9.
But wait, you don't add that 7?
You do, but it's negative here.
Oh shoot.
Give that one more look, please.
Hmm. 15 or D?
Yes, it is D. All right, so here's another one to try. Um, it's really it's best if you can solve it, like direct solve, that's always best. But like you just did there, there's the possibility of running into just you make a mistake and that answer is there. So there's pros and cons of each strategy, really.
Mhm.
But give this a try. And kind of same thing here. You could solve it. You could try the answers. If you're going to try the answers, you might try the easy ones first. Up to you, though. Might not be easy.
B, -1.
All right. How would you rate the difficulty of that question?
Not terribly hard at the end. I thought that the answer was pretty clear.
Okay. All right. Did I already have you do this one? No, I didn't. All right, let me give you a couple more. And we'll switch to kind of some story solving problems here. All right, same thing here. Try the answers or not.
Hmm. Oh wait, no, that'd be positive. I got it. D -6.
Okay. Okay. So that is correct. All right, good job on that front there. I don't want to do any of that. Okay. Just looking for some more questions before we proceed to something new. This is no, I guess you can't do that yet. All right. So some of the some of the linear equations that you will solve will get you down to answers like this, where there's either no solution or all solutions or all real numbers. So no solution is like this, like 0 equals 5 or -1 equals 3. You get two different numbers. Okay. All solutions, you'll get something like 0 equals 0 or 3 equals 3 or -1 equals -1. They're the same. And so there's a couple of strategies when you're solving this, again, like we've been talking about. Um, so and these are very common. You'll get like one of these in the SAT, ACT, is you'll see the answers have no solution, all real numbers in there already. So when you see that, you really should, I call it direct solve, basically go back to your classroom techniques for solving this. And then remembering this, if you try the numbers and they don't work, you still have to go back and solve. So I think there's more benefit to direct solving it from the beginning. But I'll leave that choice to you here. Um, so go ahead and give this one a try, please.
I think this is all real numbers.
Okay. So what did you get as your
I
final
thought
answer?
2h plus 16 equals 2h plus 16.
So yeah, so another way of saying it is it doesn't have to be just numbers. It's like you said. Sorry, you said h plus 16, not 2h. You get 2h plus 16 minus h equals h plus 16. H plus 16 equals h plus 16. Yes, it is all real numbers.
Mhm.
Okay, fantastic. I've got another couple like this to put up there. Give this one a try, please.
Hmm. I'm getting p equals negative 14, but
Let's take a look here on the right side. That's where most of the work is. Minus 48p plus 40 plus 20 plus 40p. Does that match what you have?
yes.
Okay. So then you got to combine like terms minus 8p plus 60. Does that match what you have?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So now you move from the smaller side to the larger side when it comes to the variables. So which is smaller, minus 10p or minus 8p?
Minus 8p.
Nope. So on a number line, right?
Oh, yeah. A negative is further.
Yeah, 8 smaller than 10, but negative 10 is smaller than negative. So you're going to add 10p to both sides. You actually, that's not really that wouldn't really cause the problem. Something else did. Um, but go ahead and try solving it from here and see what you come up with.
Uh, 34.
34 is not an answer.
Negative 34. My bad.
Yes, that is an answer. All right. So you'll get some variation on that on the test there. Um, did I have you do this one? All right, got one more for you. One more.
All right, cool.
And then we'll switch to a new topic here um, of some sort. There you go. Gotta try, please.
G11.
All right. And how confident are you in your answer?
Confident.
All right. Minus 6x plus 14. So you're going to add 8x to both sides. You subtract 14 from both sides. 22 equals 2x. X equals 11. You got it. All right. Okay. So I figured we'd set up some proportions now and solve some of those types of problems. Um, let's see here. All right, all right, I guess I gotta give me just a moment. Why is it so hard to find? Yeah, here we go. So the starter question here is when we were doing this, I don't know, a week or two ago, um, is you just literally have to solve the proportion by cross multiplying or reducing the ratio.
All right.
Give that a try, please.
Wait, I have 1/6 equals x over 6.
Okay, and it's
So,
well, you're multiplying, you're not dividing. I think that's kind of what I heard there.
oh, wait. 25.
Say this 25. Okay. So but this you won't see something like this on the test. You'll see something where you have to set up the proportion.
Mm-hmm.
And the classic one here is a shadow problem that you might see. So what you have to do here, and this is free response, is you have to figure out, what goes in each of the positions, and then you have to solve it like you did the previous problem. So there'll be a number in three of the four positions, a variable in the other. See if you can work through that.
Nine.
Oh, okay, so give me the proportion.
Um, 3/10 equals 9/30.
Where did your variable go? Here?
Yeah, it was x/30 at first.
Okay, good, good. Okay. So that's not super difficult because you can even just multiply and be like, okay, yeah, I got that. Um, where it gets to be more challenging, and this is stuff you're actually seeing in your geometry class right now, is where it's not really organized as nicely. Things are like flipped or inverted or something like that. Um, So the key here is to set up their proportion. So I'd like you to set up the proportion and then let me know so I can check before solving it.
Hmm. So can I use B and C and L and M on one side of the proportion?
You have to, yeah. Like usually, like one side of the proportion is for like figure one, figure two, and then you're matching like you know a side with a side or something like that,
Okay, so then my proportion is x/21 equals 16.8/28.
like this.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're trying to find MN. And I know I've got the image of having it here. So MN goes with BC. Okay, so that's fine. And then AB, AB is so X is the big one, and this is the smaller one. Is that how you did it, or did you set up another way?
No, I did it like I'm
Because the
pretty sure I
20,
did.
oh, sorry.
I thought I did it the bigger way with the.
So this is 16.8, LM is 28. So what I'm saying is that if you like there's the other way to organize it is if you don't like figure and figure is you can use the top for the figure, the bottom for figure two. But if X is from figure one, the 21 has to also be from figure one or the bigger one. So these are now reversed.
Oh, and then I'm still cross multiplying.
You still cross multiplying. So you might need a calculator here. That's fine with me. Um, let's see how setting it up is so important because
Yeah.
uh, you might actually get one of the answers and think you've done it correctly.
22.4.
Okay, so here is another problem, free response. Uh, Same type though, you got to set it up solve it. Your answer should be reasonable. And then we'll get to the harder problems here.
X equals 25.
Very good. Or the height in this case is 25. Okay, so the other types of problems you will see have a little bit of a conversion in them, and the they don't give you, they might give you a conversion sheet, but you should know how many inches are in a foot. Um, so the correct way to proceed here when you write the proportion is you don't have to convert um feet to inches, but like the right approach is actually to first convert this to inches and then to convert your answer back to feet.
Mhm.
Um, like it's a best practice to have the same units in all four places, but you don't have to. But you like you'll find just for other stuff, it's better if everything is in the right units. Um, you actually don't have to in this problem. You could leave it at feet. And the reason is because the variable over the 8, feet and feet, they just cancel. But in a more complicated problem, it could matter. So that's why I'm kind of warning you to consider that here. But I'll leave that up to you to decide.
Hmm. A 7.1
Okay. So did you set it up as like 20 over 22.5?
over 96.
Okay. And then you back converted to
Yeah, and then I went back. Yeah.
okay. Um, the thing is here, and I was a little bit deceptive, I guess that could help, is yeah, is the 8 actually goes there because the 20 is the height.
Oh,
So it will impact your answer there. I think you'll find it's actually 7. But
I see.
anyway, all right, good job. We're going to stop there for today. No poll today.